How to log into your Discover Bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can log into your Discover Bank online in just a few simple steps. First, open up your web browser and search for Discover Bank or simply go to discover.com. Once you head over to the website, you can click the sign in option at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find the login button, and then once you tap on it, you'll be taken directly to the login portal for the bank's website. Once here, you will have a field to enter your user ID as well as your password. Now just go ahead and enter your username and then password. Once that is done, if you want to view your password, tap on the show button and then click on login. If you somehow forgot your user ID and passport, just select this option down below to recover them. And if you have two-step verification enabled, you'll receive a code on your registered phone or email. Just enter the code to complete the login process. Once logged in, you can view your accounts, pay bills, transfer money, and manage your cards all in one in a secure place. And that's basically it. In under a few steps, you're ready to access your Discover Bank account online. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. I'll catch you guys on the next one.